Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by preparing the essentials so the connection goes smoothly. First, verify the biometric unit model and which cable you will use, USB-A, USB-C, or Ethernet, and confirm its power needs. Once done, make sure you are signed into a laptop admin account and the operating system is up to date because drivers require elevated permissions. Next, download the manufacturer driver and the management application to your Downloads folder and temporarily disable VPN or firewall to avoid blocked installs. You now connect and configure the device step by step. Plug the biometric unit into a laptop USB port, or if using Ethernet, put it on the same LAN and record its IP address from the router. Next, run the driver installer as administrator and then open the OEM management application. Accept any kernel mode or security prompts because they allow low-level sensor access. In the app, add the device via automatic USB detection or by entering the IP address, and update firmware when prompted after backing up current settings. You finish by enrolling users and verifying reliable authentication. Enroll at least one test account, capturing 2 to 3 scans per finger or face to improve recognition. Save the profile and select an appropriate security threshold. Then enable data encryption, export a configuration backup, and enable automatic sync for devices on the network. Restart both laptop and biometric unit, perform 3 complete login tests, and if authentication fails repeatedly, try the troubleshooting tip. Power cycle the device, check cable integrity, and reinstall drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.